Welcome to Dream on Wheels, what we're exploring today. This is the Weinsberg CaraBus 630 MEG Outlaw, a unique campervan designed with a built-in garage concept. Combining living comfort with serious storage capability, in this video we'll take a complete tour. From its exterior design and garage system to the interior layout, kitchen, sleeping setup, and real travel experience. From the outside, the 630 MEG Outlaw looks like a clean and modern campervan. But it hides something very different. The design is based on a longer van platform, giving it more room to work with, but the real highlight is at the rear. The integrated garage area, this isn't just standard storage. It's a dedicated space designed to carry larger equipment like bikes, adventure gear, or even compact motorcycles. The rear doors open wide, giving easy access to this space. At the same time, the exterior remains clean and practical. Large side windows bring in natural light, while the sliding side door provides easy access to the living area. This is a van built for people who travel with purpose. Step inside and the layout immediately feels different. Because part of the rear is dedicated to the garage, the living space is designed to be efficient and well organized. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to form a compact lounge area. This creates a usable space for relaxing, dining, or planning your next destination. The seating area is practical and comfortable for daily use. A table is positioned to provide a functional surface without taking up too much room. Large windows allow natural light to enter, helping the space feel open despite its compact nature. At night, interior lighting creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere. Everything is designed to be simple, efficient, and easy to live in. Moving into the kitchen, the focus remains on usability. The layout is compact, but everything is placed within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and sink, allowing you to prepare meals while on the road. The countertop space is limited but functional. Storage is integrated through cabinets and drawers, providing space for utensils, groceries, and essentials. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips. This kitchen is designed for practical, everyday use, especially for travelers who prioritize mobility. One of the most interesting aspects of this campervan is the sleeping setup. At the rear, above the garage area, you'll find a raised twin-bed layout. This design allows the van to combine a proper sleeping area with a large storage space underneath. Each bed is accessible and offers a comfortable sleeping surface. The mattresses provide good support, ensuring restful sleep after long days of travel. Storage compartments are integrated around the beds, helping keep everything organized. This elevated design is what makes the Outlaw concept so unique. The bathroom in the 630 MEG Outlaw is compact but functional. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower setup. The layout is designed to make the most of limited space while still providing essential features. Everything is within reach, making daily routines simple and efficient. This is especially useful during longer trips or off-grid travel. The standout feature of the Outlaw is its garage system. This space transforms the campervan into something more than just a travel vehicle. You can carry bicycles, outdoor gear, adventure equipment, even compact motorcycles. This opens up a completely different kind of travel experience. It allows you to combine road travel with outdoor activities without compromise. Moving into the cockpit, the van offers a comfortable and controlled driving experience. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making long journeys easier. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media. The van's size remains manageable, making it easier to drive compared to larger motorhomes. Visibility is good, helping maintain confidence on the road. What truly defines the 630 MEG Outlaw is how it supports an active travel lifestyle. It's not just about moving from place to place. It's about taking your activities with you. You get a compact and drivable vehicle, a functional living space, a large dedicated garage. This combination makes it ideal for travelers who want flexibility and freedom.